Here I have Samsung Galaxy A52s, and today I'm going to show you how to hide photos in gallery on this device. So firstly, you have to open gallery. Then to hide photo, you have to create a specific album for this photo, or for several photos. It could be like not only one photo. For example, let's pick this photo. Then tap more, move to album, create new album, and now when it's like this specific our brand new album, hold your finger on it, then tap more. No, not here. Tap here, then tap hide or unhide albums, and hide this album. And now you have this photo hidden. So if you want to unhide it, just the same way, like this, and now you can see this photo again. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.